Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you on how to bake keto bread. Here are the ingredients. We have salt, coconut flour, sweetener, gelatin, yeast, baking powder, sugar, olive oil, cocoa, and 7 pieces of eggs. I'll start by warming the water for 30 seconds and then I'll add in sugar and yeast. Stir it and set aside. Next is beat the eggs. Add in half a cup of olive oil to the eggs. And mix together. We start now adding all the dry ingredients such as half a cup of coconut flour, gelatin powder, sweetener, salt, baking powder, cocoa powder, and we can now add the yeast that we set aside. Combine all together and mix. Set the oven for 180 degrees Celsius and transfer the ingredients into the baking pan. Let it cook for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, take it out from the oven and set aside for 15 minutes to let it cool down.